Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to make your own body butter. It's supposed to be good for moisturizing your skin, evening out your skin tone. If you have stretch marks, it's going to help diminish that. Any dark marks, acne marks, it's going to help fade that. So you need 3 simple ingredients. So the first one is organic shea butter. I got this from Amazon.com. It was about $14.99. Oh no, this was like $19.99 for this 32 ounce, I believe, of shea butter. And it's the white kind, but it's basically the same as the yellow kind. Sorry. And you're gonna need extra virgin olive oil, and this is gonna help with moisturizing your skin. And then your essential oil of your choice. So I'm going to be using sweet orange oil from Amazon as well, and this is going to help prevent acne, because during the summer and springtime I do get like body acne and facial acne, so it's going to help diminish that and help rejuvenate the skin. You can use any type of essential oil that you like. Some people like lavender, eucalyptus, any type of essential oil, and that's just gonna also help mask the smell of the shea butter, because if you have organic shea butter, you know that the smell is really strong. Not everyone is used to it. I've used organic shea butter before when I was younger, and I didn't really the smell doesn't really bother me, but a lot of people it does. So basically right now I have my water boiling on the pot, and I'm just gonna get that boiling, and then once it boils, I'm going to use my Pyrex measuring cup and just pour in the shea butter, and I'm going to put the cup into the boiling water and wait until the shea butter melts. And then after it melts, I'm going to take it out, wait for it to cool a little bit, and then I'm going to add the olive oil and the sweet orange oil. So I'll come back once everything is boiling. Okay, guys, so as you can see, the water is now boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. And now I'm going to put the shea butter into the Pyrex dish, and then the Pyrex dish into the pot. So this is what the shea butter looks like. Like I said, it's the white kind. It has a really earthy smell. Like I said, most people might not like the smell, but to me, I'm African, I'm used to this type of smell. So it doesn't really bug me, but I wouldn't want that smell on my body, which is why I'm adding the sweet orange oil as well, besides its other healing properties, but also for the smell to mask the shea butter. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and place it in the Pyrex dish, and I'll come back to you. So this is what the shea butter is looking like inside my Pyrex measuring cup. So as you can see, it's about 225 milliliters of shea butter, and that's literally nothing. Like, I didn't even scoop that much. But the jar that I have, it's my Africa's Best Hair Mayonnaise jar. It's just enough to fit in there. So I'm going to go ahead and place this into the pot of water and allow it to liquefy it. So here it is in the pot. So I'm just going to allow it to liquefy, like I said, and then I'll come back once it's all melted down. And then we're going to add the olive oil and the sweet orange oil, allow it to cool down, and then I'm going to put it in my jar, and that'll be it. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so the shea butter has officially been liquefied, so this is what it looks like. This is the consistency, it's nice and thick. And so if you can see, I have about 200 mLs of the shea butter. So I'm going to fill it up to olive oil with olive oil up to this line right here. So take the olive oil, and I really don't have exact measurements. I'm just kind of like eyeballing it, but yeah. So I'm going to take the extra virgin olive oil and fill it. And put a little bit more. Okay. So there we go. Mix that up. it's looking like. And then I'm gonna add a whole bunch of drops of this sweet orange oil just because I want to mask the smell of the shea butter. So this smells exactly like, if you guys have ever peeled an orange, this is exactly what it smells like. Like that first smell that goes in your nose when you peel an orange, that's what it smells like. So just gonna keep adding drops. Okay. Mix that up. I'm trying to smell it to see if I can. So I'm still gonna add more. Okay guys, so all the ingredients are mixed and it's beginning to get a little bit solid now. Like I could touch it, so that means it's cooling down, and as you could see, it's starting to become thicker. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it into my jar. Like I said, this is my old Africa's Best hair mayonnaise jar, so I cleaned it out. So I'm just gonna pour that in there and then allow it to cool. And I'll show you guys most likely tomorrow when it becomes solid and becomes a nice juicy butter. But yeah, that's basically it for the video, guys. So please give it a like, comment, subscribe. I'm definitely trying to be on a healthy skin or like a skincare journey. Not that I've ever had any problems with my skin, but I just want to be more even. I do have some stretch marks, like I said. Well, I don't know if I mentioned, but I do have stretch marks. I'm going to do a separate video on that. But I've always had stretch marks ever since I was like a little girl because when I do gain weight, it always goes to one area of my body. And also, like I said, I have acne, like body acne, that pops up usually when it gets warmer outside, which is starting to get warmer. So I'm just trying to help prevent that, help prevent the acne, help prevent the scars and the dark marks. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pour this into the jar, and like I said, I'll come back at you guys tomorrow. So if you like this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. So it's about half of the jar. This is a 500 milliliter jar, so, and I showed you guys that I made about, I'll say 275 milliliters of the butter, so not bad for my first try. If I do like this, I'll definitely make some more and come back at you guys. I might add more ingredients, but for now this is just a tester with 3 simple ingredients: organic shea butter, extra virgin olive oil, and sweet orange oil. So yeah guys, I'll come at you tomorrow once it's cooled down.